Question hook: ever wondered how much you can actually deposit on Kraken, the popular cryptocurrency exchange? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many, and in this video, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty details. Context building: Kraken has become a go-to platform for trading a wide range of cryptocurrencies. But before you dive into the world of digital assets, understanding your deposit limits is crucial. We'll explore the factors that influence these limits, the different deposit methods available, and any potential restrictions you might encounter. Main content: understanding deposit limits. Factors influencing limits. Account verification level. Currency being deposited. Regional regulations. Exchange policies. Tiered system. Explain how Kraken often operates a tiered system where your deposit limits increase as you verify your account to higher levels. Deposit methods. Bank transfers. Discuss the pros and cons of using bank transfers, including potential fees and processing times. Credit/debit cards. Explain the availability and limitations of using credit/debit cards for deposits. Cryptocurrency deposits. Discuss how to deposit cryptocurrencies directly onto Kraken and the potential benefits of this method. Regional restrictions. Country-specific limitations. Highlight any countries or regions where Kraken has restrictions on deposits or certain cryptocurrencies. Regulatory compliance. Explain how Kraken adheres to local regulations and how this can affect deposit limits. Additional considerations. Fees. Discuss any fees associated with deposits, such as network fees or exchange fees. Compare fees across different deposit methods. Processing times. Provide information on the typical processing times for different deposit methods. Explain factors that can influence processing speed. Security measures. Discuss the security measures in place on Kraken to protect your deposits. Emphasize the importance of safeguarding your account information. Case studies. Real-world examples. Share examples of users who have successfully deposited large amounts on Kraken. Discuss any challenges they may have faced and how they overcame them. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Address common questions. What is the minimum deposit amount on Kraken? Can I deposit fiat currency from any country? Are there any daily or monthly deposit limits? How long does it take for a bank transfer to be processed? Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main factors that influence deposit limits on Kraken. Recap the different deposit methods available. Remind viewers of the importance of understanding regional restrictions. Call to action. Encourage viewers to visit the Kraken website for the most up-to-date information. Suggest they create an account to explore their own deposit options. Closing statement. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, understanding your deposit limits is crucial before diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading.